Hello guys, this is Mukesh. Today I am going to teach you about how to create a simple photo frame effect inside KineMaster like this. Open your KineMaster application, then click the plus button and depends upon your video, choose your aspect ratio of your project. In my case, I have a 16:9 ratio video, so I am choosing 16:9 ratio project. After that, in your primary timeline, you have to add your footage. Click the media and I have my footage in my download option. So I just want to use this butterfly effect. So at the exact time, this time, I want to add my effect at this time. Okay, use your action panel and use this capture option and use capture and add as a layer. So simple, right? And just adjust to the duration whatever you want, and make sure you are expand it at because at the exact time you have to add your effect, right? So the exact time, click the layer and use your effect option and go to the bottom. There is an option called mosaic blur. Just use it, just expand it and click the 3 button and use the option called send it to back. So simple. At the exact time, use your handwriting option and make sure it's a square and it's white in color, and just tap at the corner. Oh, it's not perfect. It's not perfect. Okay, I think it's perfect. At the corner, you have to add a frame like this. Make sure it's fit. Okay, now I want to play. Okay. In order to make your footage more cinematic, you have to add a sound effects called snap or some kind of effects are there inside KineMaster, and go to the sound effects, and inside snap there is an effect called, okay, just click it. Now we are going to add some key animation to the clip. So use your layer. At the end of the clip, click the key option and just expand it whatever the height you want. At the same time, use your handwriting tool, just crop the unnecessary part and use the key animation and just expand it at the right position. So simple, right? Now I think it looks good, right? And make sure that photo capture effect must be a less in time, so then it will look so effective. And don't forget to add the sound effects too. Hope that guys you love this video, and don't forget to follow KineMaster Facebook page. Thanks for watching.